Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be solving question number 31 and onwards for 5070 paper 1 variant 2 May June 2023. So let's begin. Alright. So question number 31. Pieces of magnesium can be attached to the steel hull of a ship to prevent rusting. Okay, this is sacrificial protection. Which statement about sacrificial protection are correct? Okay. Okay. 1. Iron atom uh, gains electrons and form hydrated iron trioxide. And sacrificial protection is basically, preventing, water or air to react with iron. So iron is not reacting. So one is definitely not correct. So one, the options which have one can be cancelled out. A and B are not correct. Okay. Magnesium atom gains electrons to form magnesium ions. No, it does not gain electrons. Gaining electrons is basically it is which means it means it is being reduced. So it is not being reduced. Rusting is basically an oxidizing. Rusting is basically oxidation. So yeah, aluminum is oxidized. That's correct. That could be correct. This is also correct. Yeah, he is correct. Okay. Question number 32. Why is carbon used in water purification? Okay. So it acts as a filter to remove insoluble solids. It adds oxygen, no, not oxygen. Right. It disinfects, no, not disinfects. And how can it act as a filter? It removes tastes and odors. Charcoal is basically a carbon compound. Yeah, charcoal is used. Okay, which statement about air pollutants is correct? Okay. Catalytic converters in vehicles change toxic gas into a non-toxic gas. That's correct. Because carbon monoxide is converted into carbon dioxide. So carbon monoxide is a toxic gas. However, carbon dioxide is a non-toxic gas. So yeah, A could be correct. Flue gas desulfurization uses culture method now. Photosynthesis is a process that releases now. It intakes it like carbon dioxide is basically one of the reactants of photosynthesis. Sulfur dioxide is responsible for photochemical phenomena. So yeah, A is the correct answer. What is the structural formula of propyl methanoate? All right. So propyl methanoate means that this is the initial part. This is the last part. So I can draw it for you. So that is drawn first. Okay. So it's like sorry. Should be like B B H H. This this is propyl and this is okay. So should be somehow here it could be tricky. You must be thinking that the initial part should be written first and the last part. But while writing structural formula or even drawing, so it isn't necessary, to write it. write it like, the initial part could be at the end, and the last part could be written at sorry in, first. It could be written first. So basically, just to learn naming, we do that. uh, we write it in such a way so it is clear. This is the carboxylic part and this is the alcohol part. So while naming, we should know that the carboxylic part is written in the last, and the alcohol part is written in the first. Whether it's drawn, or whether it's written in structural formula, it could be like in any order. But while writing the name of it, we should be careful that the carboxylic part should be written at the last, and it should be the alcohol part should be written first. Okay, so here you can see that I have drawn in such a way that the carboxylic part is written first and the alcohol part is written in the last. Okay, but I can draw it either way. Okay, so let me see. I can clearly just tell that this is the correct answer because I can see CH only in this option. So here CH is here, and CH is here only. So yeah, this is the correct answer. Okay. Which statement about ethane is correct? Each ethane molecule contains exactly 7 bonds, all of which are single covalent bonds. Okay, that sounds correct. Ethane is a member of the homologous series of alkanes, a family of unsaturated. No, it's saturated. These are incorrect. The equation for the complete combustion of ethane is C2H6. So no, I guess wait. It should be C2 to the 4 to the outside, C2H6, the carbon dioxide, 2 to the 6, and 2 to the 4, 4, 3, 4 plus 3, 7. It's 6. That's incorrect. Okay, when a molecule of ethane reacts with chlorine, one hydrogen atom is replaced by chlorine molecule. Not necessarily. So yeah, is the correct answer. I can even show it and show you by drawing it. So it would be like yeah, they're telling us that it contains is exactly 7 bonds. So yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, it does contain 7 bonds. So A is the correct answer. Okay. 36. Isoprene is an alkene which is commonly found in plants. Which properties does isoprene have? Okay, C is obviously correct. Because an alkene decolorizes, at this bromine, C is obviously correct. So which do not, the options which do not have 3 would be cancelled. So B is the one. It can form polymers. Yeah, addition polymers could be formed. So B is also correct. So the options which do not have 2 would be cancelled. Okay. And when it burns in air, yeah, it does. Proteins can be combusted. They can be burnt in air. So, yeah. All right. So next question is the structure of an ester is shown. Which two compounds react to form this ester? So basically, let me highlight it. The blue, the what should I say? Blue color is basically the acidic part, the carboxylic acid part, and the green color and yeah, that's right. The green highlighted part is basically the alcohol part. Okay, so for the acidic part, we can see it has two carbons, so it should be ethanoic acid. So let me check which option has ethanoic acid. Only one has it, ethanoic acid. So obviously it would be C, but I can now just confirm it for you. So for in the alcohol part, you can see 1, 2, and 3 carbons. So it would be propanol. So yeah, okay. 38. Okay, so it says that 25 centimeter cube of 1 mole per dm cube sodium hydroxide is titrated with dilute sulfuric acid. Using a suitable indicator, 25 cm cube of the sulfuric acid is required to reach the endpoint. What is the concentration? Okay, this is the concentration of sulfuric acid required to reach the endpoint. Okay, for this, we should keep in mind that now 1H positive, 1H positive can, uh, neutralize 1OH minus ion. And we know that in sulfuric acid, the formula is H2SO4. Sulfuric acid has two H positive ions. So the ratio is 2:1. For that, we should have half the concentration of, if it's 1.0, the concentration is 1 mole per dm cube. So the concentration for H should be half of it. So it should be 0.5 for sure. And yeah, so we can use methyl orange because it exactly tells us wait, yeah, we can use methyl orange. It's also the part of the syllabus, and you know that it exactly shows the utilization point. Okay, 39. All right. The results of a paper chromatography experiment are shown. X is an aqueous solution of a salt of group 1 element. Y is an aqueous solution of a transition element. So which row is correct? Which requires a locating agent? I would go with that first. So uh, obviously, you know that transition elements are colorful, so they do not need a locating agent. However, group 1 elements are colorless, so we need a locating agent to find their position. So therefore, it would be X, obviously. Let me choose then, yeah. X, yeah, right, X. And larger RFL would be for Y for sure. All right. Okay. Last question, question number 40. Aqueous sodium hydroxide is used to identify the ions present in aqueous solutions of compounds Q and R. The results are shown. Okay. The lead solution before addition of aqueous sodium hydroxide, green precipitate. We know that green precipitate could be possible in chromium. Oh no, wait. Before addition of aqueous sodium hydroxide and after a few drops of aqueous sodium hydroxide. All right. So in this case, that we can, go through our qualitative analysis notes, and we you will, you will be reminded that chromium 3 plus is the one. Copper 2 plus is definitely not there. Copper 2 plus and Fe3 plus, because copper 2 plus gives blue solution, like at the end it gives blue solution. and Fe3 plus is red brown PPT. So these two are incorrect. And if for example, if you are you're confused between chromium 3 plus and Fe2 plus, what we can do, we can check out. So we see that before addition of sodium hydroxide, before addition of sodium, so gas is given off, which means NH4 positive ions are present, and NH4 is only present in A. So it has to be chromium 3 plus and NH4 positive. So A is the correct. Alright, so this was the end of our paper, and I hope that I was able to explain it to you in the simplest way. And if still you have any query or any problem, you can tell me down in the comments and I'll try to resolve it. And do like, share, and subscribe my channel. Till then, have a good time. Bye bye.